Welcome to the Rochester Effect. Tonight's subject is, how can you be human in the digital age? Is this technology, information technology, all three of variations on information, how are they changing the way people relate to each other?
So instead of seeing patients in hospital gowns and sterile clinics on the 5th floor at the University of Rochester, I see people in their homes. And so I get an entirely different view of their lives. And in medicine, we're taught to take a medical history, a family history, and a social history. It's helped us bridge a geographic divide. Lots of people don't have access to care simply because of where they live. In some cases, we're increasingly being able to bridge a social divide.
In terms of the classroom, one of the things I teach architectural history classes, and it's very difficult to teach buildings through slides. So I use a lot of videos, and I use a lot of YouTube videos that people have just gone to a site that they love and take, photos, and they're very effective teaching tools because you get a sense of what the space is actually like.
In Rochester, we challenge ourselves by asking that question, like, what is it that we are doing that's unique to us? And the narrative that we came up with is that improving the health and well-being of the region using computation as a lens, while being surrounded by folks like Joan, who are asking the right ethical questions and challenging us on the implications of our innovation as well as the impact.
I think when we're talking about being human, the humanities and humanistic inquiry is really at the center of that. And so questions about what does it mean to be human persist whether you're digitized or not.
I think phones can help our human ability. Some of the innate things that we want to do is be more creative, tell a better story, be able to empathize with others. These are human skills. Can a phone help you do that?
I'd like you, on your way home or now or tomorrow, give some thought to how this Rochester effect has affected your life.